The West Philippine Sea is ours. That is the message the Blessed Movement wants to convey to Filipinos. They led the unveiling of a mural painting in Manila as a peaceful way to express that the West Philippine Sea belongs to the country. This is a story from Margot Gonzalez.
The Blessed Movement believes it is important to remind all Filipinos that the West Philippine Sea, or WPS, belongs to the country as it is reportedly being claimed by other nations. Therefore, the group, together with the National Youth Commission and the Manila Local Government Unit, led the unveiling of a large mural in a part of Manila despite the rain to raise awareness among Filipinos, especially the youth, about the disputed territory. They say this is their peaceful way of asserting that the said sea belongs to the Filipino people.
Tayo naman po ay hindi po nakikipaglaban o hindi nakikipagdigmaan sa China. I-exercise lang po natin ang ating karapatan doon po sa West Philippine Sea. Sa lahat po ng mamamayang Pilipino, sa ating mga kababayan, naway tayo po ay maging mapagmatsyag po sa ating kapaligiran, lalo na po sa West Philippine Sea. Ipakita po natin ang ating pong karapatan na dapat pong atin.
The mural was painted by the artist Jun Aquino, who voluntarily created the artwork using donated paints. He was assisted by several young people.
Parang silang sira. Noong nabigyan ako ng break, nabigyan ng ganyang kalaking canvas, naisip ko agad yung West Philippine Sea. Gawing kulay asul ang buong bakod na to. At ilagay yung ating statement. Amin ito, ang West Philippine Sea. Unang idea ko nga dyan, nagka-idea ako, dragon ang ilalagay ko. Pero naisip ko, China agad nasa isip. Kailangan peaceful kasi magmumukhang gera eh. Kaya ang ginawa ko, parang people power na lang. Lahat ng klaseng tao nandiyan, mayaman, mahirap, fisherman, kapit-bisig lahat.
According to the Blessed Movement, they plan to create more mural artworks like this to more effectively convey the message and remind Filipinos of their rights in the West Philippine Sea. He also said they will place mural paintings in other parts of the city, such as Menjola in Manila and certain areas in Quezon City. The Manila LGU assured that they will protect the artwork against vandalism and ensure that it remains visible to the public.
Bilang nasa City of Manila naman na po kami na po mismo yung magsasaayos na yung mga sasakyan po na nandito is hindi po sana makapag-park para makita po natin yung statement po na ginawa natin dito sa wall po. Si Yorme is po talaga, nagsabi siya na yung mga ganitong type po ng mga painting and arts is wag po sanang babuyin.
For God and beloved Philippines, this is Margot Gonzalez, SMNA News.